What's good everyone? In this video I will be face painting myself as Fluttershy. I decided to go with Fluttershy since this is my first attempt at a face painting by myself. In the last video I followed a tutorial, so since this is my first solo mission of face painting, I decided to go with a really simple one like Fluttershy. I also picked Fluttershy because I really wanted to do a sign language video as Fluttershy. All the products that I'm using will be listed in the description box below. Let's get started. The first step is really simple. I'm just outlining the butterfly on my eye with a pink eyeliner. You can use an eyebrow marker or maybe a brown eyeliner. I definitely wouldn't recommend using a black eyeliner because Fluttershy has a lot of pastel light colors and I wouldn't want any of the black eyeliner to mix in, smudgy and not looking good. I painted myself Spider-Man yesterday, and so some parts of me are still a little red. I hope that Fluttershy doesn't turn orange or Applejack because I don't have an Applejack wig yet. Then I just painted the rest of my entire self yellow, of course leaving the butterfly part not painted. The reason I decided to go with Fluttershy from Rainbow Rocks is because when she ponies up, she gets the butterfly on her eye. If I painted any other Fluttershy from the Equestria Girl series, I would just be painting myself yellow. And where's the fun in that? Luckily, I haven't turned orange. Hey, that was a possibility. After I painted my eye, I let it dry. Then I used white and yellow eyeshadow to cover the top of it so that the paint wouldn't smudge, and continued to paint the rest of myself yellow. Here I decided to go in with a smaller brush with the yellow to fill in all of the little detail parts around the butterfly. Then using a light pink, which to get that color I simply mixed my red and my white until I got the shade that I wanted. I filled in the entire butterfly section pink. Made sure my eye was dry and then I put light pink eyeshadow over it to make sure that the paint wouldn't smudge later. I was planning on going over the eyeliner with either the yellow or the light pink, but I ended up going back over it with the dark pink eyeliner to make the lines look a little cleaner. Last but not least, I put on my wig cap and my Fluttershy wig, which I love. You can stop here and just leave it like that, but I felt like some of the hair was covering up the butterfly, so I decided to style it a little bit with a green flower.